You remove this protective layer. Hi there, just want to share something quickly. So this is my mouse right here, and I had to replace some of these pads right here, and I ordered some new pads to be replaced right here. And this thing became so slippery. By the way, you can actually replace pads on your mouse. There's no need to buy a new mouse. I want to share something. I'm going to lift this up so it's easier for me. So this is the old pad right here. There's one thing on these pads, depending on the pads you get. By the way, this has already been replaced. So basically what I'm trying to say right now, you can remove a thin layer if your pad is not even, like it has holes or it's not even or gripping onto the mouse pad. You can actually remove a thin layer. But if you cannot remove a thin layer, like I'm failing to do right now, no, you cannot remove it. So in this case, I'll have to remove the whole pad and install a new one. Actually, I can show you an example I did earlier. So this is a pad right here, and this pad has the smaller pad that I removed earlier. Because I already installed newer pads, I'm replacing these pads too, because these pads are slightly thicker than this one, and I want all of the pads to have contact with the mouse pad. So in this case, like I already mentioned, I'm going to remove this entire pad and install a new one. There we go. It's nice and clean. No need to use any cleaning agents. Here is my new pad for this area. And you can actually see this pad right here is actually thicker. I don't know if you can clearly see, but the old pad right here is much thinner than the new pad. So that's one of the main reasons why I'm replacing these. So once again, I have my pad right here. This surface area is nice and clean. I'm going to remove the new pad. Kind of difficult to do this when you're filming it.
Yeah, boy.
And there you go. Nice. But I'm not finished yet. I don't know if you can really see, this pad right here is not that slippery actually. If you remove this protective layer, it becomes even more slippery, even to the touch. Even on this pad, it becomes way more slippery. So remember, when you install your new pads, don't forget to remove this protective layer because it will be much more slippery. And by the way, when I performed this maintenance, my mouse became so much more slippery. It was kind of difficult to use it the first few hours. I had to kind of adapt myself to this new performance, how slippery this mouse was on this mouse pad. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.